Hello and welcome. Let's practice English with a simple story. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Going outside. The sky is dark. The sky is dark. It is raining heavily. It is raining heavily. The weather is very bad today. The weather is very bad today. I am taking an umbrella. I am taking an umbrella. I am opening the umbrella. I am opening the umbrella. I am going outside. I am going outside. I am under the umbrella. I am under the umbrella. The rain is falling fast. The rain is falling fast. The street is very wet. The street is very wet. The air feels cold. The air feels cold. I am walking slowly. I am walking slowly. I can hear the rain clearly. I can hear the rain clearly. Waiting near the shop. I am stopping near a shop. I am stopping near a shop. I am waiting for the rain to stop. I am waiting for the rain to stop. My clothes are getting wet. My clothes are getting wet. The wind is moving my umbrella. The wind is moving my umbrella. The shop is still open. The shop is still open. I am standing near the door. I am standing near the door. Many people are also waiting. Many people are also waiting. The rain is not stopping. The rain is not stopping. My phone is ringing. My phone is ringing. Hello. Hello. I am waiting here. I am waiting here. I hope the weather gets better soon. I hope the weather gets better soon. A phone call in the rain. Hello. It is raining heavily. Hello. It is raining heavily. Yes, the rain is very strong. Yes, the rain is very strong. Where are you now? Where are you now? I am near a shop. I am near a shop. I have an umbrella. I have an umbrella. That is good. That is good. The wind is very strong. The wind is very strong. I cannot walk fast right now. I cannot walk fast right now. The road is full of water. The road is full of water. I am trying to stay dry. I am trying to stay dry. My hands feel cold. My hands feel cold. I think I will wait a little longer. I think I will wait a little longer. Asking about safety. Hold your umbrella tightly. Hold your umbrella tightly. Are you safe? Are you safe? Yes, I am safe. Yes, I am safe. Are you wet? Are you wet? Yes, a little bit. Yes, a little bit. I am worried about you. I am worried about you. Don't worry. Don't worry. I am standing in a safe place. I am standing in a safe place. I am not alone here. I am not alone here. There are other people near me. There are other people near me. I will be careful. I will be careful. Thank you for calling me. Thank you for calling me. Going home fast. Okay, come home fast. I will come soon. I will come soon. I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. I am leaving the shop now. I am leaving the shop now. The rain is getting weaker now. The rain is getting weaker now. I am walking home slowly. I am walking, home, slowly. My shoes are wet. My shoes are wet. I feel tired. I feel tired. I want to change my clothes. I want to change my clothes. I will rest now. I will rest now. I am happy to go home. I am happy to go home.
Which sentence do you like best? Repeat again and speak with me. Subscribe for more daily English.